they're doing much shorter downtimes, and that's because there's food up near the surface. And you get a chance to see them as they come up with their mouths partly open and the water being filtered. This, again, the last couple of surfacings, we were on the right. We were looking at the right side of the whale's mouth. Alright, that's good right here. Peg, if you can take the information here again for that pair of juveniles. Surface feeding. So I think staying down somewhere in the range of about 2 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to stay with these whales for another surfacing, and in about 5 minutes we're going to have to start to make our way back towards Montauk.
Oh.
Time flies when you're having fun, right?
Yep.
Pretty amazing day so far. Of course, we've got some nice water to travel through on our way back.
25.
And you can always come back with us tomorrow.
When it's raining.
Right next to us.
Oh, wow. What a beautiful baby. No, I'm taking a video. Beautiful baby. Oh, look at you guys. Aren't you handsome? Oh, perfect. All right.
Play.
Play with us, play.